ROI in influencer marketing isn't just about the numbers. It's about building genuine connections. Whether it's amplifying brand awareness or driving sales, setting clear objectives is key. So start there, and once you've got your KPIs, it's time to go. Step 1, choose the right influencers. Look beyond follower counts to engagement rates and audience relevance, ensuring a genuine fit with your brand. If you're new to this, check out the video linked here for tips. Remember our rule of thumb. We don't hold follower counts above all else. We calculate target CPMs based on the median engagement rate of the creator's most recent 8 posts. P.S. We have a tool that does this and a lot more for you, saving countless hours. It's linked below. Step 2, focus on creating authentic content that resonates with both the influencer's style and your brand's message, fostering a natural connection with the audience. Check out the description for a walkthrough on writing a great creative brief to nail this step. Step 3, utilize data-driven insights to tailor your campaigns, leveraging tools and methods for targeted outreach. We recommend using an influencer marketing platform designed to make tracking easier. There are plenty of options, including our platform, which tracks and monitors your campaigns in real time. Step 4, diversify across social platforms. Don't just stick to one social media, but engage where your target audience is most active to optimize reach and impact. Here's a couple examples. Casetify. Ubiquitous helped Casetify recruit 84 new influencers, leading to the creation of 168 videos and achieving 9.5 million impressions. This campaign was successful due to the systematic process of influencer recruitment, focusing on influencers who matched Casetify's target audience and brand identity. The campaign involved influencers from various niches, including lifestyle, beauty, and fashion, and utilized a mix of well-known influencers and micro-influencers for cost-effective content production. Robot. With this campaign, we focused on generating brand awareness across multiple platforms. The strategy involved using Instagram and TikTok for awareness and YouTube for conversion, allocating the budget effectively across these channels. The campaign targeted both human and feline influencers, maximizing reach among cat owners. The result was 66 million views, 93,000 site visits, and significant sales figures. This case study showcases how a diversified approach across different platforms can yield high ROI. So why stick to traditional marketing methods when influencer marketing offers a dynamic and interactive way to connect with your audience? By embracing these strategies, your brand can not only navigate the complex landscape of digital marketing, but thrive within it, building lasting relationships. And if you need some extra help getting your campaign off the ground, give us a shout at the contact link below. As always, remember to like and subscribe. If you want to see more insights like this, see you next time.